All right, so we've got 15 more or so to go. Let me do a quick recap. What we saw in this lab was that if we change the host name, we saw that we got a server error gateway because we tried to just put in collab domain. Based on that, we started putting in the 192 or internal non-routable IPs, the 192.168.0.0 to 254. Here we go. Found it. Checking if solved. No! Damn it. What happened? Post. What the heck? CSRF 6G8 invalid CS does not. It does contain a CSRF. Oh, session. No, we needed the session. Okay. Well, at least that's an easy fix. So we're going to do here session equals shop dot request response. No. Resp dot cookies dot get session. And then here, when we define the cookies, or we actually define it up there, cookies equal cookies session equals session. Can't believe I missed that. Dang it. All right, let's run it again. All right, I'm going to do my recap now and then come back, or at least finish it. So what we saw when we were doing 192.168.0.0 or 0.1 is that it looked like it was actually trying to reach an internal server with that IP address. Based on that, we started scanning all the IPs from 0.0 to whatever. We found that at 0.154, the server actually responded. And then we used that to, once we got that response, now we're building out the request that we need to solve the lab. And that was a post to admin delete so that we could delete the user Carlos. And that's it. We just forgot the session token, which it needed to match with the CSRF. And once we go through it again, this time we should have it solved. And that's it. So I'll pause it and come back once it's solved. But if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Hey, Rulovich. How's it going, man? Welcome back. So I these are my normal times that I try to record these. I thought I might as well put this on Twitch. It's an interesting lab. It was this one, routing based on SSRF. So built a script that goes through and scans all the IP addresses, hoping for a hit. As soon as we get a 200, we then try to delete Carlos. Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. It's early. I'm really tired. I didn't sleep nearly enough, but, what can you do? So I'm probably only going to do this lab today. So unfortunately, you caught me, just towards the end. But we can hang out until we get the lab solved. freaking look at this. Super excited. I only have like 30 left. Yeah, so I've just hopefully just solved this, so I'll have exactly 30 left. Super pumped. I want to get it done before the end of the month. And then I'll probably, after that, so I think what I'm going to do is start doing the mystery labs and just try to crank through a bunch of those in preparation to get the certification. When I do the mystery labs, I'll stream that, but I won't be writing the scripts for that. I'll set up some rules, like I can look at my scripts because those are essentially my notes. Oh, in fact, speaking of notes, I want to add something, and I'll show you what I've created. Let me do Xmind and open up my test stages. And this was for host header. So I'm going to, looking at the certification, there's 3 kind of phases, right? You start with, I think you start with no account and try to get Carlos. And then you try to get admin access. And then finally, you try to reach this other thing. So I need to add host header. And I know that we can reach internal server, which is, or we can do SSRF based on this last one. What else did we do? I'll have to look, see if any of the other ones we did anything cool. Oh, we did the token reset password. Reset password. We did that one. Let's see. How are we doing here? How much time? 150. We got a few seconds left. Open up all lab. Go down to host header. Basic. We did that one. Host header authentication. We did an auth bypass. That was just because the auth was based on the header. And that one. So I'm gonna have to take a minute, think about those. I probably want them both. We got web cache poisoning, so we can add web cache poisoning. And what was the other one? Host header auth bypass. Yeah, I might as well write that one too. Auth bypass. All right. So yeah, so I'm gonna basically I'm gonna fit this in one of those stages. We'll talk about it as soon as this is done, where that fits in. And the hope is, well, all right, I'm going to unpause for YouTube in just a second. Okay, so we are just about there. We're at 150, and hopefully we have everything ready to solve this sucker this time. $54. Come on. Found it. Do I not? I don't do any notes. Checking if solved. Yes! Perfect. Oh, we need actually this. Let's refresh this. Get our banner. Boom. Lab is solved. Very cool. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye. Okay, so that's for YouTube. Now, no account to user access. We could do, I would see, so SSRF I'm going to put here, but not all the other ones. Web cache. So yeah, so I'm going to do host header and then SSRF, like what we just did. Reset poisoning, maybe, but I think that's probably here. Host header, reset poisoning, and then web cache poisoning. Maybe I should put, yeah, host header. Let me do the web cache poisoning, and I'll add the the reset password just in case there, and then auth bypass, that one goes here. Auth bypass. See, I think these two are, they wouldn't do that. Web cache poisoning. I don't think they would have web cache poisoning. You do a host header web cache poisoning when you're a user. I think you do these two to get Carlos and auth bypass to get the admin panel. But maybe I'm wrong, so I might as well put it. Doesn't hurt. And then this one. So let's delete that. So here's my test stages document. Looking good. All right. So let me save this and close it. And that's it for this, for today and this lab. We've got 3 more in host header attacks, and then we're off to OAuth. All right. Well, thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate it, and let me know if there's anything I can help you out with. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next stream. This worked out okay, I think. So I'll probably stream tomorrow morning around the same time. All right. See you then.